welcome to Today at the Office. I'm your host, René Diamante, and we have the behind-the-scenes action for you today coming up. For you motorcycle enthusiasts, yeah, look at this beaut. Cafe Racer. And Mirachi. Sweet. There's all sorts of interesting stuff at this place. Look at this sweet piece of Italian technology. Ain't that sweet? Now that is an old style pinball machine, framed in wood. Gotta love that. Sibelius. Sweet. Sweet Moto Guzzi Cafe style. Sweet bikes everywhere. Nice. Well, here's the glass we're about to blow. It's gonna be fabulous, fabulous. And then here's that motorcycle. So this is what's going on here. I have two chargers in each corner of this window set on a remote. If you look closely, I'm standing in the elevator right in line above, ready to detonate it remotely. You hear the explosion before the motorcycle comes through the window because I broke the glass so you could get through it. Well, thank you for joining me on Today at the Office. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.